Welcome to the latest edition of the Fort Bend County Commissioner's Court Recap, brought to you by the County Judge's Office and Judge K.P. George. Held at the historic courthouse in Richmond, Texas, on July 23, 2024, today's meeting addressed pivotal community matters. Court announcements included an update on Hurricane Beryl recovery and debris pickup. Hurricane Beryl made landfall as a strong Category 1 storm at Matagorda Bay on July 8, 2024, causing widespread power outages for over 352,000 people and necessitating a robust response from Fort Bend County. Recovery efforts included debris removal, power restoration, and emergency support services. Road Commissioner Scott Wieghat presented the update, highlighting that over 150,000 cubic yards of vegetative debris have been collected, with all debris removal locations monitored electronically and over 15,000 debris pickup locations serviced already. In the consent agenda items, the court approved the reappointment of Upendra Sahu to the Fort Bend County Levee Improvement District No. 2 Board of Directors for a 4-year term expiring in July 2028. The Fort Bend County Toll Road Authority approved a resolution to temporarily lower speed limits on a portion of the Fort Bend Parkway Extension during construction. The court accepted an award from the Houston-Galveston Area Council for law enforcement training courses at Gus George Law Enforcement Academy, totaling $110,865, with no cash match required by Fort Bend County. In the general agenda items, the court ratified and approved the extension of the declaration of local disaster related to severe weather as a result of Hurricane Beryl executed by the judge on July 8, 2024. The court ratified a resolution in support of the Fort Bend County Housing Finance Corporation partnership with the Texas Department of Housing and Community Affairs for the issuance of bonds for home mortgages and residential development in Fort Bend County, with no financial obligation from the county. The court approved an interlocal agreement for the storage of a bulldozer purchased by the Fire Marshal's office and authorized the purchase of the bulldozer using certificates of obligation. Additionally, the court approved a service agreement between Fort Bend County and Harris-Fort Bend Emergency Services, District No. 100 to provide emergency communications services for the HAZMAT team. The court approved revisions to the Employee Information Manual, including policies on emergency operations personnel and pay procedures, and inclement weather, to include part-time employees. The court adopted revised Fort Bend Transit Passenger Guidelines and amended the agreement for transportation services with Fort Bend seniors to increase the rate schedule. The session concluded with a workshop presentation from the Fort Bend County Engineering Department on the Mobility Projects Dashboard, presented by Ike Akinwand, Assistant County Engineer, Projects. That concludes our recap for today. Commissioner's Court is scheduled to meet bi-weekly. The next court will be held on August 13, 2024, at 1 p.m. on the second floor of the historic Fort Bend County Courthouse in Richmond, Texas. Stay tuned for more updates on the Fort Bend County Commissioner's Court as we strive to build a stronger, safer, and more vibrant community together.